Hi, welcome to the Short Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable stop recording gestures and basic navigation voice control on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, scroll down again and go to physical and motor section and then tap the voice control. Then in this part in the voice control, go to the section and then tap the customize commands. Then in the customize commands, tap the basic navigation. Then in this part in the basic navigation, scroll down and then find and tap the stop recording gestures. Then in the stop recording gestures, as you can see that it is already enabled. But you have to activate also the switch button under the confirmation required to fully enable the stop recording gestures in your basic navigation until it becomes green. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button just like this. And that's it, we have successfully enabled and disabled stop recording gestures and basic navigation voice control on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!